Hello everyone. Now I will demonstrate the packaging of the motor kit for you. First, you can see that our motor kit generally consists of a motor set, an instrument, a sandboard, and a chainring. Now I will show you how to pack these into the motor. Let's go, Xiang. Let's unbox it. After opening the box, we can see there is a foam cover here. At this spot, there's a slot. We can easily grip it with our hands and remove the foam cover. Then place the foam cover beside the box. At this point, we can see there is a large floating center here. Arc-shaped groove. This groove is used to place the chain ring. So we fold the chain rings back like this, and it can be directly placed into the groove. Then we'll temporarily take these items and place them here. There's a relatively large groove here, and this is where I put the instrument. The instrument should be placed upright, and once upright, it fits perfectly here. Then this location, the instrument and gear plate have a small groove here where we can place some things. For example, like this, sound of scissors cutting. We can directly put it in like this, just right to slot one in. And then we place this light here directly. Sound of scissors cutting. The remaining few sheets, we can just stuff them directly into this small gap. Finally, we have the sandpaper left. For the sandpaper, we need to remove the foam bag and take out the sandpaper inside. After taking it out, we can see this situation. We need to wedge the wider part of the sandpaper into this gap, like this. There's also another brush, and we place it in this position like this, also slotting it in. Near the motor, you insert it like this. Once it's inserted, our motor in a box is packed. Then we need to close the lid. If you forget the direction while closing the lid, you can look inside for this situation. There is a groove inside here, just like the place where the chainring was placed, corresponding exactly. Then we align this part with the chainring and just cover it directly. In this way, your motor is packed. Finally, we will proceed with sealing the box. If our motor kit is shipped together with the battery, dividing it like this is fine. If only the motor kit is being shipped, then we also need to separate both sides. Pick up the pliers and turn them upside down. The edge at the bottom also needs to be separated. Homework, your electrode kit is all packed.